Later. A phone on installments. A couch on a payment plan. A vacation on a credit card, because you'll pay it off next month. Each one, alone, feels trivial. The danger isn't any single purchase. It's what economists call compounding obligation. Every recurring payment is a piece of your future income that's already spoken for before you even earn it. And here's the part most people miss: it's not the interest that hurts you most. It's the opportunity cost. Every dollar sent backward to pay for yesterday is a dollar that never got the chance to compound forward. A $300 monthly payment doesn't just cost you $300. Invested instead at a modest return over 20 years, that same $300 a month could grow into 6 figures. That's the real price tag nobody puts on the sticker. But debt is the obvious trap. The second one is sneakier, because it doesn't look like a trap at all. It looks like a career. You study hard, you get good at your job, your income climbs steadily for years. From the outside, it looks like the system is working exactly as promised. Here's the uncomfortable truth, though: a paycheck, no matter how large, is rented income. It exists only as long as you keep showing up. The moment you stop working, it stops arriving. Compare that to an owner, someone who holds equity in a business, property, or investments. Their income doesn't require their constant presence. It grows while they sleep, because they own a piece of something that produces value on its own. This is the single biggest divide in personal finance, and it has nothing to do with how hard someone works. It's the difference between renting your income and owning your income. The uncomfortable part is that building ownership usually means delaying comfort now, buying index funds instead of new furniture, reinvesting a bonus instead of upgrading a car, and that trade-off is far less exciting in the moment than the alternative. Then there's the third trap, and it's the one that catches even disciplined people off guard, because it disguises itself as reward. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it works like this: your income goes up, so your spending quietly follows. A raise becomes a nicer apartment. A bonus becomes a nicer car payment. Within a year or two, the extra income has been fully absorbed, and you're right back to living paycheck to paycheck, just at a higher altitude. Psychologists have a name for why this happens so easily: the hedonic treadmill. Human beings adapt to comfort astonishingly fast. What felt luxurious 6 months ago now feels like the bare minimum. And this is where the trap really closes, because the gap between what you earn and what you spend is the only place wealth can actually be built. If that gap never widens, it doesn't matter how much your income grows. You're not getting richer. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. So what actually separates people who build lasting wealth from people who stay stuck, even at high incomes? It usually comes down to one quiet habit: they protect the gap. Every time their income rises, they let some of it flow into ownership before their lifestyle has a chance to claim it. It's not glamorous, and it rarely gets talked about at dinner parties, but it's the difference between a life that depends on your next paycheck and a life that doesn't.